Hi there, how are you? Today we will be looking at lookups formulas, and especially on VLookup. I'll be guiding you through a simple step-by-step process of looking up a person's ID number or IC number versus name, birthplace, age, blood type, vehicle plate, gender and department. So in order for this practice, I would like to use an example which I used to use for my trainings. Okay, so I'm going to look up for a value of your ID number or IC number, which is this A column, and look out for birthplace, which is in C column. So meaning that John's birthplace is Miri and his IC number, which ends at 5544. Okay, so we're going to look up John's birthplace by keying in his IC number. So in order to do that, there is a process of VLookup. Okay, how to start VLookup? Go to insert function. You can look out for, type here. Okay, you can type for VLookup. Okay, and your function comes up. Click OK, and you have the argument of this function will be popped out like this. So in order for us to start, we have to know few things about what this column requires. Okay, VLookup value means it's a value that we are looking out for. It's like information or the data being gathered. Okay, so the lookup value will be the ID number or IC number. This is what we're going to key in. So let's say if you want to key in others IC number, say Smith, so which is ending at 5545. So you need to key in here in order for you to get his birthplace, followed by table array. Table array means the data that is stored. The data stored from A1 till H23. And column index is the number of column from the first column. So we are looking at birthplace, which is third column, and the range lookup will be 0. 0 means it's what we want will be exact match. Okay, we are looking out for a exact match. Click OK once it's done. So now your lookup value is Miri according to the IC number. Now let's say I'm going to change to Ram's IC, which is 46 at the end. Ram is from Kia. How about 57? Kuda. Is it Kuda? Yes. Okay, this is the function. So what is the formula? This is the formula that I used to do it. And kindly take note, this is the formula that I used to do lookup value. Thank you.